Making everyone happy is our #1 priority. So when someone takes the time and writes us an awesome 5-star review, complimenting our great service, we love to share it. Here's what they had to say. It never gets old when someone posts these type of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. So if you're seeking a company that's focused on great satisfaction and high quality service, we're your choice. We're confident that you'll walk away very satisfied. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.